Hello, are you legally protected in your physiotherapy practice? A single mistake in documentation or lack of proper consent can lead to a serious medical legal consequences. But the reality is, most of the physiotherapists are not adequately aware of their legal responsibilities. In today's healthcare environment, medical legal issues are steadily increasing. Physiotherapists often face risks related to improper documentation, inadequate informed consent, and unintentional negligence. While clinical expertise is essential, legal awareness has now become equally critical in ensuring safe and ethical practice. To address this gap, we present a focused workshop on medical legal essential for physiotherapists in India. This workshop provides a structured understanding of legal system relevant to healthcare professional, including key concepts such as tort law and contract law. Participants will gain insights into medical negligence, professional liability, and the importance of informed consent in clinical practice. The session also emphasizes accurate documentation, ethical principles, and common medical legal challenges faced in physiotherapy settings. This workshop is led by a resource person trained in medical law and ethics from National Law School India University, Bangalore, integrating both clinical expertise and legal knowledge to deliver practical and relevant insights. By attending this workshop, participants will develop the ability to identify potential legal risk, improve their documentation practice, and ensure proper consent procedures. They will also learn strategies for risk management and professional protections that enable them to practice with greater confidence, accountability, and legal safety. Join us in the strengthening your professional practice through legal awareness. Register now and take a step towards safe, ethical, and legally sound physiotherapy practice. Thank you for watching this.